Special greetings to you, my friend. My name is Kene from Wenigro Power, and today I'll be showing you this 1 kilowatt hour solar generator working with the 60 watt LG inverter refrigerator. This solar generator has an AC output of 200 watts, whilst the refrigerator is rated 60 watts. Even when the compressor picks up again, it stays around 180 to 140 watts briefly and comes down back to the rated 60 watts. Now, let's power it. Alright, so it's powered on, and let's take a look at the refrigerator and see if it powers it. So you can see that it powers the refrigerator as against non-inverter types of refrigerator, which makes the overvoltage protection red light start blinking once you try to power it with this 1 kilowatt solar generator. If you want to buy this solar generator, just make sure you call us at Wenigro Power for swift delivery and customer satisfaction. Thank you so much.